Hello guys, here your RJ Kanav. Today we are here to talk about a Make in India. Now, what is Make in India? Make in India is an initiative by the government of India to make and encourage companies to manufacture in India, and initiatives dictated investment into manufacturing. Now it is launched in 2014, and Make in India is launched by our PM Mr. Narendra Modi. Advantages of Make in India. The successful implement of this plan will definitely fulfill the following major objective: to ensure solid growth and valuable employment creation in the country. With the help of top investors, country will become completely self-dependent in the manufacturing sector. It will provide the benefits to both parties, the investor and our country. Make in India will also help the companies for creating their brand values in the global market. It will definitely help for growth of Indian GDP as well as to increase the value of Indian currency. Our own investors will retain in the country itself who were planning to move their businesses outside India due to lack of resources and clarity of policy issues. Due to this fact, companies from across the globe making a huge investment in Make in India. The government of India is making a huge effort in order of reduce any type of burden of investors due to this. There is an arrangement of dedicated web portal for solving all the queries from business entities. The portal is known receiving excellent response. Government has created a dedicated back and support team so that response can be given within 24 hours of duration. To make India free of unemployment by bringing development and growth, this policy is the urgent need. We can downize poverty in India to great level by solving the unemployment issue for youths. Thus, the country economy will achieve a new height after the success of campaign. This in turn may solve various social issues in the country. Thank you so much. Here are RJ Kanav. Bye.